Hi friends, my name is Ganesh from ECE2 studying in GNITC. Today I am going to explain about earthing. Uh, so first we come to know about earthing and the types of earthing, and if there is earthing and without earthing what will happen. Let me know. Let us go to introduction. Earthing is the process of transferring the immediate discharge of electrical charges, and it is directly passes into the ground with the help of low resistant wire. So the process here occurs is the earthing wire having low resistance. That's why the current is directly flows from a wire to the ground, because the wire is nothing but having low resistant wire. That's why the current is flowing through it. So let us consider that we are having a circuit and we are having three plugs. Right now two plugs are at a down position and one plug in upward. So take that upward plug is nothing but having low resistance, so it having like leakage current. Now we have to discuss about without earthing and with earthing. If without earthing what will happen, and if there is earthing what will happen, let us discuss. So take a transformer and take a phase wire which is connected to transformer. Transformer will generate current from place wire, so it will directly goes to the television, and from television, if there is in television there is no leakage current, it will directly goes to ground. If there is leakage current in television, it passes through a human body, and from human body it goes directly to the ground, because in human body there is low resistance of. So now we have to discuss about without earthing. So let me know, this is a transformer which is connected to a phase wire and directly connected to a device like television. So now a human body is there, he will touch the leakage current, and the current will passes from human to the ground, which is called as electrical shock. It means the current will produced by transformer and goes by the phase wire, and in a television there is a leakage current. When a woman body touches it, then the current directly flows through the human and then it goes to the ground. So we have to know about the types of earthing, and there is earthing is classified into four types. The first thing is plate earthing and pipe earthing, rod earthing, stir earthing. So let me know about the plate earthing. For example, we have to dig a like hole having and place a metal like copper or else metal galvanic iron into that, and it is connected to the copper wire, and totally the hole is filled with charcoal and salt. After that you have to pour some water to maintain moisture. Then this process is known as plate earthing. And the second thing is pipe earthing. Same as plate earthing, like dig a hole of 3 meters, place a pipe in the hole, like which is connected with a galvanic steel, drill with the holes to connecting earthing wires, then fill the hole. We are having like more types of earthing. And third thing is rod earthing. We have to know that rod earthing and pipe earthing are similar basically, because in pipe earthing there is space in inner part of the pipe. So let us consider take a rod, we are having no space inside the rod. So have you observed that, right? So, and the fourth thing is strip earthing. It is also known as wire earthing. So strip earthing is nothing but the electrodes are taken to a buried in a horizontal hole area of cross section. It means we have to consider it nearly 25 mm into 1.6 mm. So strip electrodes like take copper 25 mm into 4 mm, galvanic iron steel 3 meter for meters. The final conclusion is that we come to know about the earthings, like the process of it and how it works in our surroundings, like directly we are observing that the current is produces from transformer and it is directly generated into television. So here, if the television is having any leakage current, if a person can touch it, the current directly flows into him, and it will be like electrical shock, as we know that. So let me know about these things. It may be useful to you as usual for me. Thank you for your valuable time.